If you have been creating content for over a period of time and you're not getting the kind of engagement you want, you're not getting the kind of sales you want, you're not getting those inquiries coming in, there's no clients coming in, you need to go back to your drawing board. And what is your drawing board? You need to go back to recheck your content strategy. And if you don't have one, then you need to think of creating one. Hey Filipinos, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Halimat Ismail. I'm a social media manager and content creator. I teach people how to manage their socials and how to edit using Canva and CapCut. And if you're also looking to monetize your knowledge with side hustles, this is a space for you. So click on that subscribe and watch this video to the end if you want to learn how to create a content strategy that converts sales. So, if you've been posting over and over again and you're not getting that desired effect, you're not getting the sales conversion that you need to recheck your content strategy. So, today I'm going to be discussing the various ways to have a content strategy. That is the step by step guide to creating your own content strategy. First, let us clarify this. Your content strategy is not you posting every day. Your content strategy is not you checking other people's posts and using that style to post on your own. Just to clarify that out. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you need when you are about creating a content strategy is to do your market research. And this is good so you know what is going on out there and how best to approach the market with your own idea of a product or a service and your own idea of a content to reach your ideal target audience. So what you're going to do is you're going to check a couple other people that do similar things to what you're doing or that do similar services to what you're offering. Check what you're doing. The essence is not to copy them. I always say this. The essence is not to copy them. The essence is to actually check what they are not doing and how to do it better, if that makes sense. Check what they are not doing and how to do it better, or check how you can improve on things that you're currently doing. Do this for a couple of competitors in your niche that are doing something similar to what you do. You can do for 3 or 5 other competitors, whichever way suits you. Take note of things they're doing, what they're not doing, and see if you can create something new out of that. So, when you get the market research out of the way, the next thing is to focus solely on your target audience. This is the basis of your content strategy because those are the people you're selling to. If you cannot identify your target audience, you wouldn't know how to focus your content. Your content will have no direction because you don't know who you're creating the content for. But when you're able to identify your target audience, you'll be able to channel your content like you're speaking directly to that person. So you need to identify your target person. What are their likes? What are their dislikes? What kind of content resonates with them? What kind of content doesn't resonate with them? What kind of format do they like? Where do you find them? Which platform do they find them? What makes them want to click on that purchase button? Identify your target audience, and this will really help you into dialing down to how your content should come across, how your messaging should come across. After you've identified your target audience, the next thing you want to take care of is the pain point of your target audience. Your content should speak directly to their pain points. Your target audience, when they see your content, should feel like this is me. This person is talking directly to me. That is how your messaging should come across. And for that messaging to come across, you need to identify the pain points of your target audience. What are they struggling with? What level are they currently? What do they need right now? What's the solution? You are offering solutions, but also tweak that pain point. Speak directly to their pain points. Let them know you see them and you hear them and you understand them. Once you're able to get that feeling to your target audience that you see them, you hear them, then you would be able to 50%, more than even 50% likelihood chance of converting them into clients or into customers. When you've taken your time to identify your target audience pain point, the next thing to do is to now channel your knowledge to now study what kind of content format works for your target audience. Are they people that would actually read long captions? Are they people that will actually check your reels? And content format also depends on what platform you're using. Okay, so if you're looking to have new reach to more people or new people, reels are your best bet. If you're looking to just give an information to your current target audience or to those who are already following you on your page, then a graphic and a carousel will do the trick. And if you're looking to have sale conversations, introduce new products and services, or discuss other things going on in your business, then the stories on your platforms are the way to go. So your formats of content depends on what you're trying to achieve. I always tell my clients something: before you post anything, there should be a reason why. There should be something you want to achieve by posting that particular content. If you have no plan whatsoever posting that particular content, then don't bother posting. For every content that you are putting out there, have a reason why you are posting it, if that makes sense. Have a reason why you are posting that particular content. It's very, very important. This will help you keep track of what is not working. What do your target audience actually fancy? Which of your content do they actually engage with? The next thing you need to now figure out is how to be consistent. You need to be consistent if you're going to keep attracting the attention of your target audience. Now, consistency doesn't mean you posting every day. You don't have to post every day or posting more than once a day or posting 3 to 5 times a day. That is just so stressful because you have a business to run as well. Consistency is you picking certain hours or certain days of the week to show up and actually sticking to that routine of showing up. When your target audience knows that every Monday Halimat posts on her social media, your target audience will keep note of that and actually look out for your content or look out for that particular announcement of yours. So be consistent. If you're looking for ways to be consistent, I advise you having a kind of content calendar and planner. You can use Asana, you can use Trello, Notion, you can use Excel sheets, anything that works for you. Just make sure that you streamline everything in order to be consistent. You can also consider batch creating your content, batch creating your videos, making your reels ahead of time, just so you have enough to post round the week or round the month. It saves you a lot of stress and headache with what to post each and every time. Now, after you've taken care of the number of times you want to post, you've taken care of how to be consistent, then you need to keep track of your analytics. Make sure that maybe every week or every 2 weeks, if you can't check it every day, make sure you're keeping track of how many engagement rates you have, what kind of people are actually engaging with your content. Are they the people you want? Are they your target audience? Are they just random people? Do you have new people actually engaging with your content? Or is it just the same old people? Keeping track of this will allow you to know if what you're doing is actually okay or if you need to retweak your content strategy or try out other formats as well. So I hope this has been helpful. If you found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up and click that subscribe button so you can have a notification for more valuable videos like this. And if you have someone who is an entrepreneur that might need this information, please do share with them so they can also benefit. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.